again, Dad. So it's been about a month since we've finished the grape harvest. And we're running around today doing some editing.
You haven't even started your editing?
Well, it's been about a month since we've finished the grape harvest. And today we're running around doing a bunch of errands. We had to stop at the recycling station and get rid of the old wire that we pulled out of the grapes. And the metal bands that go around the grape post bundles that we had. We stopped at the tire shop to get a replacement for the old wagon wheel that fell off in the last video. Unfortunately, we couldn't find a match, and I'm not going to buy a brand new rim to go on an old broken axle, so I'm either going to have to revamp the whole trailer or scrap it all together. Not sure what I'm going to do. That trailer was sold to us with the purchase of the property over 40 years ago. So who knows where that tire rim came from. We also had to stop at the vet and get Paco some medication.
We better stop by the lumber store and order some more lumber for working on the house.
Yeah, I buy a 6-inch flat board that's primed for around the crown molding. At least that's what I've been doing around the whole house. We always try to keep our local lumber stores in business. I go to the big box places like Home Depot and Lowe's, but not when I just need flat stock. Just like the 2 bathrooms upstairs, I needed to bump out the wall so that I can add the plumbing for the water supply of the toilet, and it also aligns the toilet flange perfectly between the 2 floor joists. water line hole.
Better turn that heat off of my butt. It's starting to fry.
Well, today we're off to get some toilets and vanities and a toilet, not toilets. We're not going to have two toilets in the bathroom. We were debating whether we were going to get two vanities, but I think we're just going to have one because then we can have a big linen closet. I'm the kind of person that when I'm doing construction, I have to actually have the items with me. I mean, I can measure all day, but forget it. I need to have the item there so I can see the spatial relations. I also need a pair of sneakers. I wore them out in the grapes. With the supply chain the way it is, I might have to abandon the bathroom for a while and work on the bedroom because I do have some materials for that. So here we are, we're pulling in the Lowe's now.
This is a full bowl. It's 17 inch. I like the height because I don't like bending my knees that much. So this is the one I like. Okay, Brian?
This one's $20 more than the other. Okay, I see. This is the regular size bowl, and this is the elongated bowl. This is the one, Dad, because nobody wants to do a bowl I like this kind of toilet paper because it resists.
Now we picked up the vanity. Now we can make all the measurements. Know where to put the linen closet and where the tub should go, and then get started on that bathroom.
Yeah, because like I said, I need to have the actual items so that I can make measurements. I'm very visually oriented. But we're not going to show you the vanity until much later in the build.
Because it's in a box.
Yeah, but we have to put it together so I can make measurements against it. That wall needs to have a vanity and a linen closet and the end of the clawfoot tub. And we got the toilet too, so I can put that in there. so I can figure out how I'm going to put the grab bar and the toilet roll.
Toilet doesn't roll with the toilet paper roll.
The toilet pole. The toilet roll. The toilet roll dispenser. Is it a dispenser? Does it dispense toilet paper?
It's just a roller.
Well, we're going into the winter of 2021. You might want to roll slow on that toilet paper. All right, we have a couple more stops and we're going to go home. And it's late. Oh, it's not really all that late. It's only 4:45.
Well, daylight saving time, it gets darker earlier.
Feels like midnight already. Daylight savings sucks. Well, we're on our way to home so that we can unload
That's an unloading, I'll tell you.
We're on our way home now and we've got to unload all this stuff, and the next time you see us we'll be trying to figure out how to lay this bathroom out. This represents my finished wall, and the toilet bolts have to be 1 foot away from the finished wall. And then of course you want it centered. .32 inches exactly, so that means center is 16. Straight line here. I'm going to be finalizing this on the final floor anyway. This is just to give me a rough idea for right now. And there we go. X marks the spot. Don't don't even have to take it out of the package to test this.
Okay.
All right, we're going to do a little test here. I don't know how much choice we have anyway. I was concerned about it being too far back towards your elbow, but that looks like it's going to be fine. You want it on this side, or you want it on this side?
I like it on the right hand side.
Yeah.
Or I prefer it.
Alrighty. Well, that answers that. It's been about 2.5 months since I've had the chance to work on this house, and I'm glad to get back at it. The grape season just took up a lot more time than I thought it was going to this year. But it was well worth it because we did very well. 8 ton over our high record. In 41 years, that's pretty good. So now that we have the materials that we need to do this bathroom, or at least most of them, we can really start going on it. I also have some stuff that's prepared for the bedroom as well. And from now on, most all the videos are going to be about this house and working on this house for the next 3 to 4 months. So, for those of you who are interested in the house build, you're going to get it. You're going to get a lot of it. And in order to be notified for those videos coming out, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash the little bell button. I have also started a Facebook group in the hopes of starting a community of people with like-minded interest. And that is also under the Vineyard Farmhouse title. If you should have some photos or videos of relevant content, please share. And I'll see you next time on the Vineyard Farmhouse. Bye for now.
Oh yeah? You're looking at me? What?